We are keeping a close eye on Amazon shares, fairly muted this morning, down about 1% after hitting its highest point ever. The stock closing at $200 on Tuesday's close. This is a good sign for the CEO. He will have been in the job for 3 years as of Friday. Yahoo Finance tech editor Dan Howley is here to weigh in. Dan, thanks so much for being here. Look, obviously it's been a record-breaking year for Amazon, hitting that record-breaking market cap. What could potentially drive this stock to even further highs, and how much more pressure is on the name given this record?
Yeah, Maddie, I think a lot of this has to do with Andy Jassy and his kind of cost controls that he put into place. Obviously, there were a lot of layoffs. Part of the reason why they had that pullback last year was because, and the year before, it was because of the overexpansion that they did during COVID. So they basically figured, look, everybody was inside now because of this pandemic. Everyone's going to stay inside forever. It turns out that that is not true. People like going out and shopping and doing other things. And so they needed to pull back. They've since done that. They've also seen more growth in AWS, something that Wall Street was nervous had kind of hit its peak and was now just going to kind of slowly grow over time. But AI has helped to drive new expansion there. And the investments that they're making in AI is helping with that as well. So that's really, I think, where a lot of people are going to be looking for Amazon to kind of drive its next level of growth, that kind of ability for them to tap into their AI capabilities. They do have tough competition. Microsoft obviously is basically, best friends with OpenAI, and Google has its own AI capabilities that it's pushing in their cloud services as well. So, it's not as though this is going to be easy for them. When you think about AI right now, frankly, a lot of it is, Microsoft and Google. Amazon, however, is there, and they are pushing it, and so that's something that could be really their next growth driver. On the storefront, the retail side of things, they're trying to take on Temu, go along with the low cost direct shipping kind of goods that could help them on the retail side of things. And then they have Prime Day coming up. I believe it's on the 16th and 17th. And so that should give an indicator of how much people are actually shopping on the retail side. But really, I think it's all going to be about, as everything in tech is right now, AI.
All right, Dan, thanks so much as always for joining us on all things tech and, of course, the AI impact in the room. Appreciate it.